Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another tutorial, and today I will be doing a requested tutorial by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested dip powder nails using full cover nail tips. So that is what I will be showing you guys today. And by the way, I'm just picking out the full cover nail tips, buffing them out, and later on going more into depth in removing the shine, shaping, and filing, and then I'll get right into the tutorial. And once again, thank you so much for all the love and support, and to all my subscribers, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And by the way, don't worry, I will get to all of your requested videos. It might just take a couple days because I am going in order that I received them, so just please stay patient, but I will get to the videos. But thank you once again so much. Here are the two dip powders I will be using. I will have them linked down below, and this is the dip system I will be using as well. So I am grabbing the base, which is the first step, placing a line down the middle, dipping it in, and then building my nail all the way up to the cuticle area, and then I will apply my color. I usually use transparent and then the color of my choice, just to save on the colored dip and not waste it. I rather waste the transparent one, so it's just a little method that you can do so as well. So this is the process. I recommend you do as many layers as you need to. Everybody likes their nail a certain way, so until you reach your desired liking of the nail shape, then that's when you should stop dipping the nail. And by the way, using full cover nail tips makes it a lot easier, just because you don't have to worry about building an apex. Now I'll be applying the activator, and this is going to harden the nails to prepare it for shaping and filing. Now that I'm done shaping and filing, I will now go in with a second round of the activator just to ensure my nails are hard and firm. Now for the final step, I'm applying the top coat from this dip powder system from Kiss that I will have linked down below. I'm just applying it to all the nails and then it will dry in a couple seconds and it is just ready for some cuticle oil and all done. These are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.